Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. GIF Nifty indicates about 50-60 point higher opening. So that's mainly because the Asian markets are generally positive. And also on Friday, the US markets shot up. US markets continuously fell for about 5 days. So that was broken. On Friday, the US markets were higher significantly. But right now, the US futures are almost flat with negative bias. But many Asian markets are higher. And therefore, there is some kind of a positive sentiment. So on Friday, mainly the drag was mainly because of the Bank Nifty, which we discussed over the weekend. So on Thursday, the market shot up. Nifty has given about half of the gain, but Bank Nifty has given more than 100% of the gain. So mainly HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank fell. HDFC Bank fell drastically. I think it was a swing low, last 1 month low. That's mainly because of the quarterly business update. So their quarterly business update, it doesn't look good. Once upon a time, HDFC Bank used to grow 20% every year on an average. Nowadays, showing a growth of, even 1%, 5% is becoming difficult for HDFC Bank. So if HDFC Bank recovers, then Reliance has been good on Friday. In fact, Reliance was the only stock that was good on Friday. If HDFC Bank recovers, and if there is some kind of a short covering in TCS. Remember, TCS is coming out with results on Thursday, just only 3 days away, and now TCS has fallen about 10% from the last 1 month high. So there is a possibility, TCS may be seeing some kind of a short covering. So if all this happens, then markets can go higher. So anyway, last Thursday's high, I think last Thursday's high was around 24,220. So that is going to be a good resistance if I'm not wrong. And at least for next 2 weeks, I'm not expecting Nifty to cross 24,220. But if it crosses, then it's really a bullish sign. So anyway, put call ratio is around 0.72, which indicates that there is an aggressive call writing. So as and when there is an aggressive call writing, market usually goes higher to trap all these sellers. So, so what we can call it as a technical bounce. So that is possible. But otherwise, so this is going to be a sideways move until the corporate results start coming in. So TCS, Infosys, the way TCS is falling, people are not expecting any good result from IT. The way HDFC Bank fell on Friday, people are not expecting good result from HDFC Bank. And the way Reliance has fallen in the last 7 or 8 years, the Reliance has never given negative return. I think last year, Reliance has given negative return. Now Reliance is down by more than 25% from the recent high. So people are not expecting any good. So in a way, it is good that people are not expecting any good result. So that if there is a good result, it will become a positive surprise, market can go higher. But if it's a negative surprise, the price has already been factored in. So that is a view right now. So for the short term, 24,200 is a resistance followed by 24,500. Support 23,800 followed by 23,500. And markets, may trade with some slight positive bias today. That's mainly because on Friday, the Nifty has fallen nearly 200 points, and Bank Nifty has fallen nearly 600 points. So the Bank Nifty has fallen much more than the Nifty. So let us hope some kind of stability comes, and but the direction will be decided only after few corporate results. most probably TCS, Infosys, HDFC Bank. So these three results will come during the next 2 weeks. So once these three results come, we can get some fair idea. And then by the time, others companies like ICICI Bank, Reliance Industries, they all come with results closer to the end of the month. And by that time, the budget speculation will also start. So then the markets may be good or bad depending upon the corporate. So keep watching for 24 to 20 for any bullish sign, and keep watching for 23,800 for any bearish sign. So that's because last Thursday the Nifty range was 23,800 to 24,200. So otherwise there is no big cues because today is Monday, so there is nothing very big. But sometimes Fridays and Mondays can be trending day, especially if it opens flat or 30-40 point. Now if Nifty opens around 30-40-50 point, it's considered to be flat only. So sometimes it can be trending, and FII selling is very, very disturbing, more than 4,000 crores. But last 2 days, domestic institutions were silent. So the past days have never been silent for more than 2 days. So I'm sure today, if market falls, the domestic institutions will come and support the market. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.